हेलो। जय हिंद, जय भारत। Hopefully, almost people are dinner had done, and some people are getting right now. I came online because to take some very serious topic which is going in India. Our farmers topic. Yes, I am watching, I am listening about agricultural which is fast in our Lok Sabha Parliament. Get everyone person upset that our farmer sitting in Delhi on road, they are raising their voice for against the agriculture bill. I don't think that many people that understand the bills about the bill, and obviously should understand us what is bill, what the want to say that bill about the agriculture actually wrong or right. Nobody want to understand. Continue sitting on strike to live their families. And still government are not taking serious the farmers. Also farmers should understand about the bill. I think is they actually favoring farmers or against the farmers, that actually the our government is wrong, the bills are wrong. I think that in my vision, I think that bill is in favor of farmers because the bill had taken in parliament for our Kisan's brother. I think that if we sell or anything, we should understand that if we are selling anything like agricultural pulses or weeds, before the bill, the brokers was taking the advantage. They were earning from mediators, and I think the main problem that is that bill giving the problem to our, I think mainly the brokers, because they are not earning now from our farmers. Yes, exactly, that is right. Because we can sell our agricultural things like pulse, wheat, we can sell directly to government, to private companies which is need and who need that directly, and we get the amount of the for agricultural things, and directly our account will get I think the process of the middle that I think finished almost. So I think problem to brokers getting now, and hopefully possibly as soon as possibly as soon as the matter will be sorted out, our government and our respected farmers. Which are striking in Delhi. Of course, they have right for that, but many people are getting disturbed because roads are jammed by them. So farmers should think, or government should think about that the bills what need the corrections, and the farmers should talk to government again about that what they want. Hopefully the government will take the any solutions about it. The very serious matter in all our countries which where are living our brothers, they also raising their voice in favor of our farmers. Of course they did, but as a legally, not by illegal. Modi government, I think, has done many work which was pending since many years, like recently building the Ram Mandir in Ayodhya, Jai Shri Ram, and Triple Talaq finished, CA bill done. Now coming soon new bill, civil services, common civil services code. GST, demonetizations. Yes, I agree with that. The demonetization process, I think, failed because due to our bank officers not succeed because of them, but very good decisions taken by Modi government. So I think and 2021 year, in this year, India economy are going to fastest economist in all our world. In all our world, we are going we are going to growing fastest economy. That making very proud us. Yes, all countries are affected by corona COVID-19. Still this going this pandemic disease, and vaccines process undergoing. But now again almost the India covered the pandemic, but again the pandemic is going up. So we should alert about that. If we are going outside the house, we should use proper mask, proper distance, all our safety. Okay, I think that is the very serious topic. The farmers, the bills, agricultural bills. So rethink the government, I think, about it. If we need the bills, any corrections, so did that at timely. Okay, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.